Right now, sentiment around space is unusually high at plus 0.48, while momentum has surged to plus 0.35. This spike is notable because it's significantly above the historical baseline, indicating a fresh wave of interest and optimism in the sector. Our API returns rich, actionable insights based on this data, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters, all tailored to help you understand the nuances of public perception. Imagine using this data to enhance your investment algorithms, or to tailor content strategies for a space-focused initiative. You could leverage our sentiment insights to fine-tune your outreach or engagement, aligning your projects with emerging trends. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's explore the possibilities together.